Hey, so I don't usually talk in these things. Oh, am I recording? Yeah, I am. Okay, yeah, I don't usually talk in these things. I usually just record my gameplay and post it in Discord servers and stuff. But yeah, I want to talk over this one just to talk about some of the stuff that's not really apparent just from watching me hop around and such. Sorry for any background noise or whatever, like anyone talking in the back. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, this project was pretty fun to work on. The original concept for this game was to have with similar controls to like a Source game, and the whole concept to be you just hop around and maybe surf a little bit, and that's the entire game. I want it to be somewhat similar to Superfly, I believe it's called. That game is really cool, and most people play it just for the fact that like it's just a fun game. It's very intrinsically fun. The movement's really interesting. There's no like pressure. It's just you play it so you can glide around. Maybe for score. I think that game has a scoring system. Um, that's the whole game. So I was thinking, okay, that'd be really cool to make, but it's like surf. I don't think I'm gonna finish this just because like, I don't know. I don't think it's something I want to finish. I don't think I have the faculties to finish it at the time, or right now at least. But I just want to like just make a smaller video and show it off. So yeah, I just really want to just talk about it and just literally just talk about it, yeah. Because I just think it's interesting. The movement feels just like a Source game. You can hop, you can surf. You can see me surf a couple times really badly over there. Yeah, you can surf. It works exactly the same as surfing in any other Source game. What would I do differently if I wanted to expand this onto a full project? I'd probably establish some sort of workflow for like making maps, because that's what's really stopping me from pursuing this into a full project is like, how do I make maps for this, you know? Like I'd really want I guess that's like sort of a thing for actually all of my Godot 3D projects. Is like, how do I make maps in 3D? That's not something I'm used to doing, because in my whole like, I don't know, like 10 years of game development, 3D is something I've only started doing in the last year, barely. So I really have no clue how 3D map design works, so that's a skill I need to develop. But for this game in particular, it lives or dies by its maps and its movement, and while one of them is really fun and great, the other one just doesn't really exist. Like, I'm having fun hopping to these little, like, stone pebble things, I don't know, little, like, rises in the ground, but I mean, there's really no other things to interact with and explore the movement, you know? I feel like games like this is where you really unwind and express yourself through the movement and just see what you can do, push the limits of the game's movement engine. So I feel like without having those maps, it does really hurt the experience quite a bit. And I may return to this project to try to make more maps and such, but right now I just don't really have that skill set. But it's something I would like to develop. Maybe I'll make more 3D games and just try to make smaller maps and such to really hone the skill. But as of now, yeah, this isn't really something that I can really see myself finishing, just because my map making skills aren't really anywhere. Like, I don't really understand just how it works. And I guess level design has never been something that I'm particularly good at. Most of my games don't have great level design. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about this game. And it's called Infinisurf, by the way. I don't think I said that. But yeah, also shout out to, I don't know the person's name. I have to look back. But shout out to the person who has like this Godot movement tutorial on YouTube, like for creating a Source style movement. It was the crux of this project, and it has made it to where it is now. Of course, I've done my own little things with it, but thanks to that person, I was able to get like 95% of this done. And it's really good. It's really good movement, as you can see, hopefully. Maybe one day I'll put out what's it called? Like a demo, like a little playtest for this. People can mess with it. But yeah, this is the entire project. You just jump around, you can hop, you can kind of surf. Oh no. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Thanks for watching.